Hello everybody, and today we are going to make juicy meatballs. This is my favorite dish. But first, we need 3 or 4 slices of bread, ground beef, this is about 1 kilo, onion, garlic, all chopped, 1 egg, a stick of Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and parsley, fresh or dry. Now we are going to start with the breads. Okay, so first cut them into blocks, like this. Add a half cup of water. Mix it all and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it should look like this. Now let's start with the rest of the ingredients. I'm grating the cheese first. Lots of it, because I love cheese. Next, put the onions and the garlic. Put the salt, pepper, and parsley. Put the bread mixture. Last, the egg. Oops, I need to practice. Okay, now mix it all together. Alright, this looks good. Now, with our hands and an icing scoop, if you have it. If not, it's okay. Scoop the meat in your hands, just enough to make a round ball. You can make this any size you like. I made 21 meatballs with these ingredients. We are going to put this in the fridge around 30 minutes or more until we are ready to fry them. Okay, we are ready to fry these meatballs. I'm putting coconut oil, about 3 tablespoons. The oils like to jump, so I'm going to put this cover. After around 4 minutes, you can flip them over. And that's it, the meatballs are done. You can eat this with the spaghetti or other pastas. Today we are going to eat meatball sub on top of the leftover tomato sauce Ira made and mozzarella cheese. Yum! Thank you. Hope you try it.